Hi. You vlog na, you vlog. You tell them.
You tell them where are we?
Tell them.
Enchanted Kingdom.
And we're riding in a what?
Into the Ferris wheel. Over the up. Today, we went to the hotel.
You look out. You look down. Look at down. Down there. We're on top of the world.
I see the.
Woo!
We see the. Look at that house over there. That's a house.
Ayun yung part doon.
Huh?
Yung cellphone mo, baka malaglag yan. Ay, sila. Yan ang pala. Number 5. Alam, mapipigat pa yung mataad to. Oh, so scary.
May kasaan din pala doon.
Wala yun, stay natin yun. Ay, dala niya doon.
Lima?
Ipinunta natin kanina una.
First part is the waterfall.
We need to go there.
After this.
It's not here. We're stuck. We see that. we see that when we remember we go there already.
Yeah.
Nathan, are you happy? You're on top of the of Enchanted Kingdom.
Yeah, we can see that.
You can see everything. You can see all of the rides here in Enchanted Kingdom.
And we see a heart over there. We'll go there later to picture.
Yeah.
And also that one.
Meron pa doon, no? Wow.
We've been there later, no? A while ago. There. Right there.
We're going down. It's like a...
Mas kuhan yan, mas delikado yan, no?
Yung ano?
Yung pan yun, no? Nagagawin mo yung ikot.
Oo.
Kasi sa bangkang yun. Bilis.
Hindi naman makuyaw, di ba? It's super windy here. Do not be scared. It's not so ano naman, so mabilis.
I don't want to be high in the air. Airplanes. I don't even care.
You already you already rode an airplane. It's super windy here.
Oh my god. Train, there's a rock train. I like this. Whoa! There's a race. I want to go race. There's a race to go.
We invite everyone to join us on the Holy Mass. Today, the King,
or any loose belongings that you may have left behind. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again. Thank you for riding the Wheel of Faith and have a enchanting day.
Let's do it again.
Enchanted Kingdom.
Yeah, we're not yet done.
Wheel of Faith.
Oh my god. And I see the swim over there. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Look, there's a boat. There's the boat. Itawag
Ano?
Itawag yan.
Yung?
Yung pabangkang yan.
Yung
Itawag yun.
part.
Bangka. Itawag yun.
I miss
Pirates of the Caribbean. Noah's Ark. Ship.
Nathan.
Hi. You vlog, you vlog. You tell them.
You tell them where are we?
Tell them.
Enchanted Kingdom.
And we're riding in the
And the Ferris wheel.
Wow! Look, Nathan, we're on the top of the world. Look, the world. Wow!
I see the.
Wow!
We see the. Look at that. Look at that house over there. That's the house.
Ay, yung pag-video.
Ay, meron
Baka
din.
malaglag yan. Ay, sila. Meron pala. Number 5.
Number 5.
Alam, mabibigat pa yung matado.
Nathan, look. There's an ocean.
Ah, it looks scary.
Or any loose belongings that you may have left behind. Should you wish to ride once more, please alight and kindly fall in line again. Thank you for riding the wheel of fate.
Wow, ang ganda ng view. Ayun o, kitang-kita yung buwan view.
Lagi magamanin ko kontak kinain.
Ay, ko pakiruan eh.
Gawayan mo na doon.
Lagi daw, kinain kalibot.
Oh, may...
Kuya, maawas kami! Kuya, pwede bumaba!
Bawas ka rin, Pao. Kaya may masakay.
Ano na, namumurong katin. Namumurong na tayo. Kasi sa'yo. Kulo ba yun?
Pangita na lang ang mga tot, mga kung ano.
Palit ako.
Pangita.
Kaya nag-iwan trimis ang kumurong na takon. Yung pa ko niya kuwada.
Aray!
Papamamala.
Pagbaba natin sila. Pakumas na ako. Kuya, bababay mo na.
Tagal-tagal naman ang kuya.
Kaiha man. Ito bakit kalibot?
Aray!
Pwede man siguro mawas.
Wala. Hindi. Kailangan tapusin mo daw yan.
Nakita yung alasing.
Kaya gusto man yung mabagal. Yun, mabagal na doon. Tagal tayo binaba. Ano yung bata?
Madaming mga chicos. Chico yan?
Nasaan na sila?
Number 1. Daming chicos.
Okay, pagpaspasin duro.
Sabi siguro ng katabi natin mag-aringa. Malagas naman yun sa kay. Ano yung kulay green doon? Ginuhuwad din yun?
Oo.
Ano kitun?
Roller coaster pero mas mataas siya. Kaya sa atin ay mababa lang. Ganun lang yan.
Hindi ako talaga.
Hindi, mayroon dito mas malaki.
Hindi, mas
Mas masyol ba adi?
Oo, pero parang iba lang naman siguro.
Ano na, awas na kita na. Maaring nga sa kung kita.
Ay, meron lang kalibot.
Do not rock the gondola.
Oh, doon, wag daw kayo. Dito lang kayo hawak. Hawakan, no.
Extend an arm inside the gondola at all times. This ride is not recommended for guests with the following conditions: recent surgery or illness, weak heart, expectant mother,
Ay, mga ibang lahi nga, mga Korean, mga China.
high blood pressure. Thank you and enjoy your ride.
Thank you.